Hi there. How is everyone today? I thought today what I would do is a little education for you. Part of going to a cloud system is getting some new things that you're not used to properly with your premise-based solution. One of those is called the desktop application. And I thought what I would do today is demonstrate how to use a desktop application from one of the manufacturers that we sell. I'm going to use 8x8 for this demo today. Okay, let's get started. All right, so I'm sharing my screen and I'm going to move me way over here out of the way. And I'm going to start up at the top. So there's a search bar here. I can put in someone's name and I can look for someone. I can call them. I can send them a message. I have a list of all my calls. I have the calls that I've made. I have my missed calls. I have a list of my voicemails. And with the voicemails, I also have a transcription of the messages, which is fabulous. I have my contacts. Now, my contacts, I have, well, that's my calls, excuse me. Those are my calls, which we were just talking about. And then we're going to go to the contacts. Here's my contacts. I have my favorites. I have my company contacts and my contacts. Now, the company contacts will integrate with what you have with Outlook, Office 365. I think if you're doing Gmail, do that too. So you can have those contacts. You can build contacts within your company, and then you can have your own personal contacts. You can have your favorites list. Typically, those are the ones you talk to all the time. I have a tendency to use it for like my internal people so I can easily see who's on the phone or available to talk to. So there's your contacts. Messaging. Now, with messaging, I can do one-on-one messaging to people within the organization. I can also do SMS messaging to outside people. So that is a text message from your business number to somebody's cell phone, SMS, with an attachment. So I can add attachments. So I can do SMS messaging, one-on-one messaging. I also can have a group, a room message. So let's say you're doing a project and you got a bunch of people within your organization. You can build a group of those people and everybody can send messages back and forth and put in attachments. So you have a way to track it. These features are all very similar to like what you might see in Teams, but this comes with this. There's no charge for it, and it's a great tool. So we'll go on from there and we'll go to meetings. Now, I don't have a meeting going, but I could start a meeting and I can see the upcoming meetings that I have. Oh, look, I have a hair appointment tomorrow. I can copy my meeting location to my clipboard just by pushing a button here. Then I can go over to my Outlook and send a message and paste in the meeting location to one or more people so everybody can come and join the meeting. Once you're in a meeting, you have the ability to record the meeting. You can stream the meeting live. You can play like a YouTube video within the meeting if you like. You can mute people. You can kick people out. So whatever you need to do. So it's a pretty powerful meeting tool. And that, again, just comes with this. Next thing is faxing that you can do from inside this app. And you can receive your faxes into here. And you can go in and send a new fax. You just click on the plus sign. You can go from your contacts if you have fax numbers in there, or you could just put in a phone number where you want it to send it. Add a cover if you want, put in a subject, and all you have to do is drag your document right into the center of the screen and hit send, and off it goes. That's simple. Very easy to use. Call recording. So if you've recorded calls, you can see your recordings here and play them back. Now down here, we can use, you can use this app as your phone, or you can tell it to use your desk phone and just use the app to manage your calls. So you can do it either way. You can also pair with a room and share your screen if you want to. And then you have settings capability. So that's just an idea of what you can do using this desktop app. Okay, so now that I showed that, I'm going to show you one more thing, and that is the smartphone app. Now, the smartphone app is basically the exact same thing I just showed you on the desktop, but only on your smartphone. So right here, here's messaging. And I have the phone, I have the contacts, I even have the meeting capabilities in here, just like I do on the desktop app. Another key feature, which I like a lot, I'm going to call my desk phone from another phone. And I'm going to answer that call. So I have a live call going on my desk phone right now. Now, on my smartphone app, because it knows I have a call going on my desk phone, I have a little green bar down on the bottom and it says flip. So let's say that I start the call on my desk phone and now I've got a meeting and I've got to get out of here, but I don't want to hang up on this person. This is a very important phone call. So all I have to do is hit that flip button, and now the call is live on my smartphone and is hung up from my desk phone. I didn't skip a beat. The customer has no idea I moved that call, and off I go. The other thing I can do is, let's say I start a call on my smartphone. In the app, I can come back to my desk and dial *88 and pull the call right to my desk phone. So you can move them either way seamlessly without anybody knowing you're doing it. All right, that's just a great example of what we can do with the 8x8 desktop and smartphone apps. Just wanted to give you a little education on what those things will do for you. This is true for many providers. I just happen to be using 8x8 today and wanted to use that to show you. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for your time.